All this is a sweet and sour braised chicken recipe. Keep on stirring until the sauce reduces into a thicker consistency, just like this. This is my version of a sweet and sour braised chicken. Look at this glossy, saucy, tasty, and packed with umami flavors chicken recipe. This recipe is best to eat with steamed rice, mashed potatoes, or noodles, or whatever you're craving for. Thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Give a big thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a review. Until next time, bye for now.